Hey everybody, this is the new Barton Musical Circuit's trigger to gate converter. This is a module that takes a pulse input and then creates a gate output with variable length. The length is controlled by this knob. It goes from about 5 milliseconds to about 5 seconds total. And then you can use control voltage to modulate that. The higher the voltage, the more it's going to shorten it. So it seems a little backwards from maybe how the knobs work, that the more you're turning this up, it's like the more you're turning this down, assuming it's a positive voltage on the control voltage. It has two timing inputs. Gate input is the one you would normally use for most signals. If you have a very short trigger, you might want to use the trigger input instead. And you can also input a gate into the trigger input, and it will make it so that instead of creating a new gate at the start of this, it's going to extend the length of the gate you put in. It becomes a gate extender instead of a trigger to gate converter. And then finally it has an output, and it just outputs 0 to 5 volts. And so I am going to, I made a little patch to show this off, and I'm going to have the output of this going to the CV input of the pitch of an FM drum. And then I am going to have the input be coming from a divided down clock that's also going to a hi-hat kind of sound and to the drum itself. And so you can hear how changing this can be used in a musical way. So now you hear it's just a really tiny burst. And with gates going this fast, when you turn it all the way up, it'll just stay on the entire time. And thank you for watching.